Hello friends, I am Monica here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we'll learn parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Words are divided into different groups according to their function. These groups are called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. There are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now we'll go into detail about each one. Noun. A noun is a word used as a name of a person, place and thing. For example, Hyderabad is a beautiful city. The noun in the sentence is Hyderabad city. The pencil is on the table. The noun in the sentence is pencil table. Some more examples: Maunika, Taj Mahal, flower, India, man, girl, village, iron, copper, honesty, wisdom, wood, tree, dog, mountain, Mumbai, city, family, kindness, bravery, gold, poverty, slavery, nation, childhood, sleep, etc. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in the place of noun. For example, he is a good boy. The pronoun in the sentence is he. This is her bag. The pronoun in the sentence is this, her. Some more examples: he, she, it, her, his, this, they, them, that, etc. Adjective. An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun or a pronoun. For example, Somu is a bad man. The adjective in the sentence is bad. English is a beautiful language. The adjective in the sentence is beautiful. I have many friends. The adjective in this sentence is many. This is a big room. The adjective in the sentence is big. Verb. A verb is a word that denotes an action. For example, Delhi is the capital of India. The verb in the sentence is. She eats a banana. The verb in the sentence is eats. Rama killed Ravana. The verb in the sentence is killed. Adverb. An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, she is very clever. The adverb in the sentence is very. Mona runs quickly. The adverb in the sentence is quickly. Please come soon tomorrow. The adverb in the sentence is soon. Preposition. A preposition is a word which shows the relation of a noun or pronoun to some other word in the sentence. For example, the cat is on the wall. The preposition in the sentence is on. He is fond of music. The preposition in the sentence is of. The manager is in the office. The preposition in the sentence is in. God is good to me. The preposition in the sentence is to. Some more examples are here. In, at, by, with, within, on, upon, beside, besides, between, among, till, until, after, later, across, behind, before, about. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join words or sentences. For example, he is poor but honest. The conjunction in the sentence is but. Though he worked hard, he failed. The conjunction in the sentence is though. Take pen and pencil with you. The conjunction in the sentence is and. If I have any doubt, I will ask my father. The conjunction in the sentence is if. Interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses a sudden feeling. For example, alas, he is dead. The interjection in the sentence is alas. Hooray, we have won the match. The interjection in the sentence is hooray. Ho, we have missed the train. The interjection in the sentence is ho. I'll give an exercise. In that sentence, you have to find out the parts of speech that I have given. I will tell you the answers in the next class. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment box. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe.